Welcome back to Olivegrey Avenue. My name's Ruth and today we're chatting yards. We have a huge project with our backyard and we have been planning this specific project for a very long time. Because it's really a huge undertaking, it's a lot to take on, it's overwhelming, but basically everything we do is, and we'll get through it. We started with a rendering of what we wanted to accomplish with our yard. I am able to design a lot of stuff, but for some reason, like my backyard, my front yard, landscaping, that's all very overwhelming and difficult for me. This is a great jumping off point because it gives us a vision and a plan of where to go. One of the biggest components of this renovation is the pool, and that's kind of the jumping off point because if you know or have seen a pool build, your yard basically gets really torn up. Arguably the biggest part of any plan like this is the yard, because if everything else looks beautiful but your grass looks like trash, then what's it all for? Honestly, we have tried and tried and tried to get that beautiful yard. I don't know, it's just been hard. I'll be honest, I was very resistant to getting help for a very long time. I told Steve he can just do it because we DIY. That's like the thing. We just can't keep up with it, so it just never gets better. We figured out that really the part that was like the hard part, aeration, the weed treatment, like all of that stuff. Like Steve can mow real quick on the weekend when it needs to be done, but the other stuff to like really boost it and make the yard healthy, that's where we struggle. So we finally got in contact with TruGreen after some looking around, and they have everything that we need. All we have to do is water and mow. I think we can handle that, and they take care of everything else. We just ordered some trees to get planted after the pool goes in. I am so pumped about them. They're going to add a lot of visual interest. They're gonna be so pretty. We got some Spartan junipers and a Monterey oak. The oak isn't going by the pool, it's going in the other part of the yard. That's why it's like a whole encompassing thing. Like if we're doing the pool area, we might as well do it all because I don't want a really nice pool area and then bad landscaping, bad yard. I just don't want to worry about it. It has become contention in our marriage, and I just want to pass the buck to someone else who knows what they're doing so we don't have to deal with it and we have a beautiful yard.
So is that the pre-emergent?
Yes, ma'am. So it's a pre-emergent for the winter, and then it also has a little bit of spectacle in there, so it kills any of your broadleaf weeds. It's a little bit selective, so I'm still gonna spray with my backpack as well. But this is kind of like a double whammy for the winter.
TruGreen takes care of the yard all year round. It's not just like a summer growth thing. They do summer, winter, autumn, spring. What are the seasons? They take care of it all, so we never have to worry about it. They are tailored solutions, so they know the soil I have, the type of grass I have. I don't have to hold their hands. They know how to do everything and they just take care of it. So when I get my new trees installed, they're gonna take care of them too. Make sure there's no plant damaging insects or mites. They're gonna take care of everything. Now we are all set up with TruGreen Complete. It's gonna be a labor of love, but it's not my labor of love anymore. My labor of love is giving it to TruGreen to take care of. So now we will have a beautiful yard that we can be proud of, especially when everything else is complete. It'll just amplify all the work that we put into it and we don't have to worry about it anymore. You can find absolutely everything you need to know about TruGreen down in the description below. It's like a weight off my shoulders. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for this backyard renovation. It's gonna be so much, but it's gonna be so good and you will see the progress of our lawn getting better and better. Bye.